It's about 4:38 in the afternoon, and this is going to be a westbound on Main 2. He's following the 23Q. I'm looking for 189, but I'm not sure if this is going to be him or not. Well, I'm not sure yet if that's 189 or not. Hopefully I'll find out at Shawsville, or when it gets to Shawsville. He's moving on approach speed because he's following the 23Q by about 20 minutes, but I would have thought he was sped up by now. And thanks for watching.